How long does it take to install a vinyl pool liner? There's two different ways that I could answer that. The first one would be to say it takes a couple of weeks because you have to order the liner and measure it in advance, and then you wait a while, they make it, they ship it out to you, then you get it, you go to the site, you take the old liner out, you prep it. In total, 3-week project, 3-week turnaround from beginning to end. Another way to answer that would be to say it takes about an hour to install a liner. Once all the pre-measuring and the liner's manufactured and you have everything on site and everything's a go and you pump down the pool, removing the old liner, cleaning the pool, and preparing it for the new liner is like perhaps a 2-hour process to a skilled technician with a helper who is familiar with the process. And that group of guys, a skilled technician and a helper, could install perhaps up to 3 liners a day pretty easily. So the actual installation of the liner itself goes pretty quickly. Almost all of it is in the prep work and cleaning the pool, and then of course the wait time just to have the liner manufactured itself is the longest part of the process. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.